Hey, what is going on, guys? Ares.Reigns again here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be using the Yamaha R3. We're gonna be heading to my favorite freeway, and we're gonna be heading down the beach. As you can see, the beach is in the background right here along with the bike. So I know I didn't have the best angle, but now I do. So let's stay tuned. We're gonna head for the highway. We're gonna hit California 75, which is down to Coronado. We're gonna see everything around the beach, and I'll see you guys on the way back. We're gonna be heading to the highway test shortly after that. Stay tuned. Hopefully the camera is good enough for you guys, so that way you guys can see everything. We're gonna get ready to get out of here. Go on a nice little trip down the 75. All right, and we're on our way. Say bye-bye to the beach. This is Imperial Beach. I used to live right by here back in the day. Big military area. Let's cruise it back a little bit. Yeah, so this bike is actually, I believe, honestly perfect for this kind of area, for this kind of commute. Going slow around here through the beach community. I am praying to God that my microphone does not fall off. The way I got it rigged up on the Ruroc is not the best. I even had to shut off the vent because this helmet, the 3.0, tends to get windy. Go figure, the 4.0 came out just a short bit after I bought this helmet, and that one's, from what I hear, it's quiet. So yay me. Okay, I'm tired of dealing with this. We're gonna move on. At least go 25 miles per hour, and nope. There's a lot of grunt on this bike. I am not a fan. I am not a fan of the grunting. It feels like it's way underpowered. Like, I feel like you can give it way more power to this bike. Yamaha does not do enough justice for this bike. Come on. Perfect timing to test out the brakes. See how it does on a complete stop. Oh, balance stop. Nope. I did it earlier. I managed to balance myself as in 0 miles per hour. Kind of like the way they do in your daily ride from Revzilla, but it didn't work for me this time. This is trash. Do you not pick me up? Ooh, we got a Busa. We got a Triumph. They'll probably catch up in a second. The shift light came on again. Yeah, this bike is not meant to haul butt. It's just meant to cruise around and daily commute. I'll probably get good footage of them zooming by me. Oh man, talk about uneven pavement. there's a Busa. Big bike for a big boy. Don't underestimate it, that bike is fast. I'm gonna stop by real quick and see if I can fix this microphone. Oh, it's only a one-way. Ah, Jesus. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix the mic real quick. Stay tuned. It's caked up sand. Okay. All right. Hopefully you guys are picking me up well now this time. Microphone's all over the place, so I actually managed to squeeze it in there and make sure it stays put. Had to stop the highway one, and whoever, because you can set this up, I've done this before, because on my MT-03 I hit 110. This one starts shining and blinking the limiter at 100. It's like it won't let me go past that. Oh, and the Akrapovic gave me a little bit of a pop. Let's see if... Well, what happened to the sun? The sun just went out of the way. Like, I don't know what happened. This bike is completely happy at doing 80 to 90 miles per hour tops. It's not a good thing to be pushing it. Top speed says 115, but I haven't seen anything like that, not even on my MT-03. My MT-03 went up to 112 on a tuck, and I bought a small windscreen for that one. Nevertheless, Yamaha will always have a soft spot in my heart. It's the one bike I always loved since growing up. That and a Ducati. Those were the two. Now, I like the engine braking on this bike too. I barely squeezed the brake and I was already down at 70. That stretch right there, that was the perfect spot to do that. That's probably my one and only one right now. And this is the city where I work. Welcome to Coronado, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna lie, I totally missed this. Like, going from Virginia and Florida, having all this here, all these courses, everything, people with motorcycles, great routes. I missed that. Even though I'm very accident prone, I missed it. Ain't no denying it. This area might be a mistake, because this is one of the slowest moving traffic areas of all. But you get to see a chance to see how it does in the city, right? So why not? Let's make a video on the city. Extra, you get highway, daily cruising, and city. It may not be downtown San Diego, and we all learned our lesson from last time. Saturday in downtown San Diego is a big no-no. We don't want to do that. Oh, and now when I remove the visor, I can see that it's very, very opaque today. Not the best. And this light changes like crazy. Good thing I've been working here for too long. I know all the shortcuts, and I'm gonna have to hit the shortcut. Because that light is gonna take forever. Oh Lord. I should make a compilation later on with all the swear words that I have up here for you guys, because this is just, oh, I hate this. Well, we got a roundabout right now, so we're gonna see how it fares off in the roundabout, and that'll take us back to the beach. Great googly moogly. Beautiful houses, huh?
Yeah, I changed the view on the camera. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, traffic will always piss me off. I can't stand traffic. This is the reason why I ride a motorcycle, and it's not to race. Track purposes are for my off time, so whenever I feel the leisure to do so. But in reality, I don't care for this. For racing and stuff, I just like to get through things. There's a lot of motorcycles over there.